Is it just me, or has the year 2020 left us with more questions than we've had answers? Indeed it has. And some of the biggest questions I get every single day are, Nige, should I invest in the stock market or in the real estate? Well, if you want that answer, stay tuned because this video is for you. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nige from Making Moves. And you know, if you've already subscribed to my channel, we talk about food, fun, family, fashion, and finance. In today's video, we're talking about the real estate market versus the stock market. So check it out. Now, in today's video, we're going to be watching an interview done by Vlad TV with platinum rap artist Mack 10. Now, you might be asking, why in the world would we be watching a video with Mack 10? Well, if you check it out, Mack 10 has some really interesting opinions about why he's in the real estate market and doesn't really mess with the stock market. Now, we're also going to hear about some of the other financial investments that he's made in his life. So if he didn't want to, he'd never have to work again. Now, before I get a bunch of YouTube comments and questions, no, it is not me in the video. It's actually Mack 10. He just kind of looks like me, but with braids. Now, before we get to the video, I want all of you at home or on your phones to put in the comments below whether you think you should be in the stock market or in the real estate market in the comments below. Let's get to the video.
You know, Jeffrey Owens, you know, who played on The Cosby Show, at 50-something years old, I feel like he failed as an adult to have to be working at Trader Joe's when he's almost retired. You see what I'm saying? I think it's important, especially when you have a family, that you don't let yourself get to that point, that you're making financial decisions and making good investments. So by the time you're in your 50s and 60s, you're not worried about, you know, your next paycheck.
Right.
So in terms of you, what have you done along the way to make sure that as you get older, you're financially sound?
Really, bro, I just made, you know, a lot of real estate investments and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying?
You're buying real estate.
I've always been into real estate. I've always been into real estate, and since 2012, I've been into these live shows, and I've done really well with that, you know. But I was flipping houses before Flip or Flop or whatever it was on TV. What's this shit they got on TV?
Flip This House?
Yeah, I was flipping way before that.
Okay.
Before HGTV was on.
Did you get hit by the housing crash?
Not really. Some of the properties I had, I just held on to them. You know what I'm saying? When things went bad, I held. If you could weather the storm,
right?
You know what I'm saying? I held on to them, and
so mostly rental properties then.
Oh yeah, I got a couple of properties now that I've had over 20 years.
So the mortgage is paid off or almost paid off.
Yeah, we good. Yeah.
Multi-units as well, or just single family?
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
So you've actually built up a real estate.
Oh yeah.
Empire.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what it's about.
That's what it's about.
That's what it's about. It's like those are like savings accounts.
Yeah, me personally, I've always been a stock guy.
Yeah.
I've never had luck in real estate, but I've had a lot of success in stocks.
Yeah.
You know, and there's pluses and minuses to both of them.
Yeah.
Have you ever invested yourself in stocks?
No, I don't know nothing about stocks really like that.
Right, and you should know, and that's what I always say is you should go with what you know about.
No doubt.
You know,
I don't care what everybody else is doing.
Exactly.
I'm only gonna play with what I think I got a chance to win at.
Right.
Yeah.
So, if you don't make any more money in music at all, the real estate is going to keep you going forever.
Forever.
There you go.
Yeah.
Wow. Now you know why I chose this video. Definitely went DJ Khaled on him.
Major killer.
Major keys. Now let me give you some of my takeaways from the video. First and foremost, I like to say that the stock market and the real estate market are just two of many ways that you can create passive income and generational wealth. If you're anything like me, you probably grew up with little to no financial education in school or from your family. Now this video is strictly for that reason. I want to start the conversation. I don't want anyone to leave this video thinking that real estate is better than stocks or stocks are better than real estate. I think that you should really try to educate yourself and learn about your own finances for you and your family. Now DJ Vlad and Mack 10 couldn't have put it any better. Go with what you know. I happen to be comfortable within real estate. I am invested within the stock market. I utilize index and ETFs because I like the slow and steady and the safety of the index market. Now, I don't really want to chase any of the single stocks, but I do have a good understanding of how the stock market works and how compound interest builds over time. So I would say, if it was up to me, I would encourage you to invest in the stock market in whichever way you feel comfortable. But do your research. If you can imagine, most of the investment opportunities that I've taken have been within the real estate world. It's not just because I'm a licensed real estate agent in the state of California, and it's not just because I do marketing and brand awareness for Citizens Financial, which is a private mortgage company. It's because I love real estate. It's something that I happen to be obsessed with. I like it all. So I feed my brain every single day, every bit of knowledge that I can. It happened watching a video just like this. So I think that everyone should take the opportunity to dive into real estate and the stock market. But again, do your research. Now, a couple of my favorite things about real estate is that you can actually touch it. You can see it. Another thing is you can use it as a long-term savings account. I mean, you can literally make hundreds of thousands of tax-free dollars just owning your home, a place that you live. It's pretty cool, huh? Now, I understand purchasing real estate isn't for everyone, and there's a whole lot more to cover on this topic. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Give your boy a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. If you want to learn if purchasing a home is right for you in 3 easy steps, check the video out here, right here, not out here. Check out the video right here. Thanks again. It's your boy Nige, teaching and learning within my community. That way we can all make moves. Let's go.